The project started 1 year ago, more or less, when we decided with the DDF company that is driven by Mr. Aram Kayar and Ezra Kesmeci to develop a local joint venture to improve the design activities in Turkey and especially in Istanbul. Our partner, the DDF company, is the organizer of the Istanbul Design Week from 3 years. So this year will be the 4th edition of the event, and it will be the first year where we join the organization. And the aim of this event this year is to improve dramatically the quality of the event, the presence of the international, very well recognized brand, so high quality standard companies and product, of course, and also trying to launch some content event, where we propose as a sort of editor, some specific contents to show some product and services. Of course, this one is the first year of the relaunch of the event, so we have a 3-year plan where we want to growing up, not so fast, but step by step every year. So this year the event will be not so big, will be medium small size, but I think with a high quality standard, starting from the direction of the project that we believe in it, very much. That's why we ask courteously to Mr. Aldo Cibic to work with us, designing, the new concept of the event.
The idea, the place where it's going to happen is beautiful, very special place of Istanbul, because it's this old bridge of Galata that when it has to be, that has been removed from where it was to 1 kilometer away in this gulf called the Golden Horn. So already the location is very special and is an historical piece of Istanbul. Structurally kind of a circus tent, but that seems like because all the double structure keeping the tent is tensed with poles. The poles are different height and different inclination, and they look like swirling dancers. So this was the formal idea of the place, and we tried our best to do something that, without being ethnic, gives you the sense that you are in Istanbul and not in another place. So this was the most difficult goal to reach, and we hope that we have reached the result. So this is the place. I love Istanbul. It's many years that is almost 16 years that I go in Istanbul. Our partner Aran, I know since by chance. I know since many years.
Trying to select, the best designer, the best company, the best local designer, local company. But another important aim to us is to develop a local event with international perspective. So it will be a mix between local and international designer, local and international companies. This is so important because, following what Mr. Cibic was saying, I strongly believe that Istanbul has a huge potential as a market because they have an amazing geographically position. We strongly believe, and personally I strongly believe, that all this kind of event around the world, or the design week, or this kind of exhibition, have to be developed with strong respect to the local culture, but in the same time having an international perspective. Also the design, after some years compared to the fashion business, for example, it become more and more global, And I also think that the international design calendar of the event, it become crowded. So try to develop project accordingly with the local culture will be one of the key for the future for these events, because of course there will be a spontaneous selection, from the visitors about the event around the world, because it's impossible to be everywhere. So it's very important to offer and to propose always something very true, let me say, accordingly with local culture, of course.